Hello everyone. This video is about a chat support job where you're not required to have any kind of previous experience or particular qualification. All what you want is a working computer or laptop and stable internet connection to start working from anywhere. And this is a global opportunity, so you can work from any part of the world. Here the company's name is Cloudworkers. The company's name is Cloudworkers and it is basically a chat moderation company. The company provides chat moderators based around the world with the opportunity to earn a reliable income and grow. The company provides chat moderators based around the world with the opportunity to earn a reliable income and grow. And here are the job benefits to work as a chat moderator with Cloudworkers. So here, okay, you can work from home or anywhere and you can work whenever you want because this is a freelance kind of opportunity and here you're not required to have any particular set schedule. So you can create your own schedule. You can work at your own pace. You can work at your own hours. And here you are only required to have a computer or a laptop and a stable internet connection and a competent language skills. So here, the company guarantees you a regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Here is the job description. This is basically a non-phone job where you this is basically a non-phone job where you will be required to do text-based chatting or text-based communication with the customers. So basically, the chat moderators will be engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. And basically, the chat moderator's objective is to animate those communities and stimulate conversations and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships with the customers. And chat moderator's job is to basically build rapport and develop lasting relationships with customers by chat moderators working with cloud workers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator with positions available either on a part-time or full-time basis. So here you can work either full-time or part-time. To start working as chat moderators, you need to simply log in online via their chat interface anywhere in the world and instantly communicate with their customers. As a chat moderator at Cloudworkers, uh, you will be required to decide you will be required to decide your own working hours. If you have some experience as a chat moderator, you will be preferred. However, it is not mandatory. If you don't have any kind of previous experience, you can still apply for this job and you can start working. Both experienced moderators and those with less experiences are comprehensively trained by the team leaders and a team of coaches. The company expects from you to have a PC or a laptop with a stable internet connection, competent spelling and grammar skill, the ability and willingness to work just 12 hours per week, and to be at least 18 years old. What you can expect from us, so here fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis and flexible and independent planning of working hours, long-term mutually beneficial working relationship, a reputable working environment, comprehensive training prior to starting to work, and a personally assigned point of contact who is regularly available for consultation and advice, regular training and performance feedback to aid your professional development, salary that is above average and performance oriented. So if you're someone who is willing to start working as a chat moderator, you can check out all the details mentioned on the website and you can fill up the application form and start working as a chat moderator with Cloudworkers. And here are some of the question and answer if you have. So because this is a freelance kind of job, you will have flexible working hours and no matter from which part of the world you belong, you can start working from any part of the world. And you're not required to pay any kind of fees to start working as a chat moderator. So here, regarding the payments are basically made within the first 10 business days of the month for the work done in the prior month. Payments can be made either via bank transfer or PayPal transfer. So that's it. And so that's it. So go ahead and check out all the details yourself, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, and if this profile interests you, you can go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.